So here we have it, our own wild bluefin tuna steaks. So I thought everyone needs to know how to cook these. So I'm going to do a little walkthrough guide on how to get the best results from your fillet steaks. Okay, so here's the exciting part. We're going to move away this green paper. That is a key to retaining that excess moisture on these steaks. Whoa, look at that. That is what we're looking for, that deep red. So you can see here on the bluefin tuna steaks that you've got like a lighter and darker side. So this is all dependent on the fat content and what it's like in the area. So today we're going to keep it nice and simple and still get the best results from the tuna steak. But all we need is a little bit of pepper, a little bit of Maldon sea salt and some nice good olive oil. And all we're going to do is give it a good season on either side, splash of oil and a gentle massage. So grab that salt from a good height and a generous covering. Get the pepper, it's a nice little massage. Flip her over on the board, same again with the salt. Good bit of cracked black pepper and again with the olive oil. And just really work in that salt and pepper. Okay, pan's hot, we're ready to go. So, grab your tuna steak, you want to lay it away from you. And just get it straight into that hot pan. If it's really smoky, just turn it down a touch. So we're going to have an extra drizzle of oil. And because of the thickness of the steak, we're literally going to give it about 20 seconds either side. So the tuna steak's turned over. We're going to give it the same again on the other side. Never be shy to have a little look underneath, just to make sure you've got that bit of colour on there. Now let's get her out the pan. So let's get this tuna steak open. So in under a minute, you should have your delicious, perfectly cooked tuna steak. So everyone, in less than 3 minutes, you can have your tuna steak open, seasoned, pan fried, and to plate.